Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, Poligun Shooting Club. Don't forget, member of the channel and thumbs up. I like to read the comment, all of your fellas. I'll be returned to you if you give me a hands up. What we're here for, fellas, this how the pistol is work, how the pistol you shoot, what's going on inside the pistol when you engage. Let's see what all the parts are. This is Glock 17. I have full body right there for the Glock 17, and also I have recoiling spring, 9mm barrel. This is the major part for the pistol, and also I have slide right there, 17 rounds of magazine right there. This is the full body, has the lock and block system right here, this part, and also we have real systems right there. But this thing is really need to be engineering things though, because all the measuring is not need to be correct. If you go anything is going mistake, is gun is one works. There's another part right behind the trigger simply part, and also trigger house right behind the grip. This one, when this guns goes on, empty shell come out, this thing is striker pulling out the empty shell, empty cases. Also the body has magazine houses. This one, the left side, has magazine release it. You can see it right there actually. Also you can change the ball, this parts, you can put it right to left, left to right. That's the triggers assembly. This is the main parts for the weapon. And also right beside magazine release right there, you can choosable. If you're using right hand, you can put in left side. Using the left hand, you can put the right side though. Also there is a slide catcher right there, and you can, this one is when your magazine is empty, is blocking all the way to up, and your slug is, you can see your weapon is empty. And if you want to continue the shooting, you release the magazine, you can put another chamber one, you can reset your weapons. This one actually right bottom on the barrel. The barrel is a 9mm. Also I have a slide right there. The slide has on the top on the one of the review side and one of the front side. This one for the aim, everybody knows about this one, and made it in by gold. This one actually, I love the color though. But this is seal side has a review side and front side. This one for the aim, you can shoot engage the target. Seal side has a firing pin, also firing blocking systems. There's the seal right there. This for the firing pin. I got 17 round of magazine for the Glock 917. Okay, we can put all together all the parts right there. You can escape with how the gun is work. All right, guys. All right, guys, let's see how the gun is work. We just pull the magazine on the houses, we cock it back, the weapons, slug, and there's a one in the chamber. That means you already has a one in the chamber ready to go. You pull the trigger on it. When you pull the trigger, there's a fire pin, the real side. And when fire pin is strike with the primer, also start with the burn with the gunpowder. There's a lots of energy with the gunpowder. The gunpowder, when the explosion goes off, the bullet went out. When it went out, there's a spring coil right there. This spring coil helps you out to your weapon. The slug went back. When it wanna load it, it goes by to front. This one is when it slide right there. That means your weapon is pulling out the empty shell. How is work? There is a striker right there. When it's hitting the striker, is automatically your shell went out. When is your slide, when goes by the front, is there's a bullet, there's a ticket to the one bullet in the magazine goes all the way through to the chamber. That means is your second second bullet is ready to shoot. This processing goes by all the way empty the magazine. When your magazine is empty, your slug still stands still like this. This is the single action weapon. What we do for today for this one, how pistol is work. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like my video, and also I accept that all the comments are, if I have a time, I can return you back. You can give me a hands up, all the comment are acceptable. But don't forget to membership my videos. See you next time. And I don't know, it's gonna be surprise for you. I'm not planning yet what we gonna be. I'm gonna research for the media, what we pick up for you guys. I hope I'm gonna get good video for you guys. All the any hands up for it.